going to start from the reds to purples. So this is complimentary wine. Then black chutney cherry. No, black cherry chutney. Okay, the third one is Vampsterdam. Then it's a black and it's called We're in the Black. Then it's the famous Lincoln Park After Dark, almost black looking. This one is the Russian Navy. And the last one, it's the new one, Abstract After Dark. Hi everyone.
Hi everybody.
In today's video, we wanted to show you some beautiful Vampy colors to try. Now, I guess that would be the last minute to try these colors because after that it's going to be Christmas. All right, so we are going to, of course you have to be so dramatic, try these polishes on these nails. Which one are you gonna wear?
Dramatic would be like do.
So the first color is Complimentary Wine. This is classic. It's a beautiful Vampy color with a red undertone. I had a few people asking for those colors, which would be like a red undertone. So that's it. So the first color I'm going to do very thin so you can see what the undertone is. Doesn't look so vampy now. Black cherry chutney. I'm so excited about this color because I've never tried it and I've looked at it many times, and so I finally got it. This is an original line. Oh wow. Very pigmented. So this one has a little bit of shimmer. This reminds me of the Vinylax Black Cherry, I must say. Yeah. All right. So the third one is Vampsterdam. This one has a really nice formula too. It has like a softer formula. It's hard to kind of describe this formula. With two coats, it's going to be darker. The next one is We're in Black. So this one is a very good formula. This is the Infinite Shine. Black Onyx also has a very good formula from the original line. So at the end of the video, we're going to show you how they look in the different lighting and in the daylight as well. This one is like a one coater. Such a great color.
It's amazing.
Yeah, so good, so good. Lincoln Park. I don't think I've used it when it first came out, and somehow that was it. Okay, so this reminds me of the like Dazzle Dry Pumped Up Purple. It's actually in between Pumped Up Purple and Forbidden Passion. Yeah, because it does, I thought it was more purple, but it does have some red. Wow. Yeah,
two coats. It's actually very dark.
Yeah, it's very, very dark. All right, Russian Navy. We can't forget about Russian Navy. This also has a beautiful shimmer. Looks really good matte as well. We've done it in the past with the matte top coat. It's kind of like a blackened navy blue, I guess, with shimmer. Yeah. Abstract After Dark. I'm excited, very excited to see this. So this one has a shimmer, but it's kind of like a little chunkier shimmer. It's not your typical, I don't know, we'll see. Oh yeah, it has more like a glittery shimmer. applying it very thin so you can see. Okay, so it's like a warmer color, but with the purple flecks. Okay, let's do the last nail with this. And guys, these polishes are available at Beyond Polish. We do have affiliate links in the description box. So if you are in the US or Canada and you're interested in purchasing these,
go check it out.
Go check it out.
Oh.
It would be awesome if you could purchase from them, because we do get a small commission, which helps us to maintain the channel.
Correct.
Correct. Okay, let's do second coats. All right, so complimentary wine. This looks really light compared to the other colors. So now I'm going to grab a little bit more color. Let me polish on the brush. Okay. So with this, it doesn't look black, it looks like a dark red, which that's what some people are looking for, right? So I like to dry the polish in between coats. So if you have patience, then it's a good idea to dry them in between coats, because that way the second coat will apply better and they will dry better.
Dry better, apply better.
Yes, and wear better. Okay, so this one looks really, really nice. It has a very, very strong formula. It has that red shimmer in it, like a pinkish red, like a really deep, really nice.
Very nice color.
But it does almost look black, right? We used on this hand, we used the Infinite Shine Ridge Filler, so that's why you're seeing the dulling. Normally I don't mix, I use Infinite Shine with Infinite Shine, but I mean, obviously he's not gonna wear these, and I was planning on doing something else. I was planning on doing one hand with Infinite Shine and the other hand with regular, but I just decided to do...
Things changed.
Yeah, things changed. I decided to go from kind of red to more of a purple. All right. I love this color too. Very, very good. This is dry too.
You can just leave that one, actually.
I know, right?
Yep.
I could, but I won't.
You could.
If you guys are interested in, if you are not a fan of the LPI brushes, I'll leave you the link below to my source for brushes.
Wow.
All right, let's do the other hand. Lincoln. Okay, so this is more red than I kind of remembered. I remember this as a, because it's kind of strange. It does look more purple in a bottle somehow, no? At certain angles, yeah. Russian Navy. This one also has an absolutely flawless formula. It's a fantastic color. And Abstract After Dark.
I have to say that Lincoln Park After Dark is really nice.
It looks black.
Exactly.
It looks black, but it looks warmer black. We'll compare it in a second. This is kind of a festive purple.
Very festive. Very sparkly. Okay, let's look at all of them.
So is there a difference between the black and the Linkin Park?
A little
Yeah,
bit.
there is. But, you know, from a distance, when you look at the nails,
You
I don't
wouldn't
think
know.
you would know.
No.
Yeah. You know what?
These are my favorite.
I would say yes. I would say Linkin Park. And then actually this one doesn't have the shimmer as visible. This one also looks very glossy. So yeah, if you don't want like a almost black look, then this definitely is a good idea. It looks very glossy, very full. I like this. I like all of them. I'm sorry, you can't choose.
Guys, what are your favorite colors?
Yeah, let us know.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to put a top coat on them, and then we're gonna take pictures in different lighting for you so you can see the colors.
So don't go away.
So don't go away, but we are going to say goodbye, and thank you so much for watching the videos.
We appreciate it.
We really do appreciate it. And like I said, if you would like to purchase any of them, Beyond Polish has them. And yeah, we'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Ciao.